The E2 comes with effective user-friendly features like HEPA, air filtration, power loss recovery, filament run-out sensors, and automatically pulses if a door is opened. These features protect users and the environment throughout the entire 3D printing experience. Through incorporating HEPA air filtration fans, the E2 quietly removes residual particles from the air, preventing unnecessary environmental damage and limiting any health concerns. The E2 is also equipped with door sensors that detect if either of the doors opens and pulses the print until they are closed again, preventing damage to the print or injury to the user. The E2 can protect users from losing prints by automatically detecting a loss of power or depletion of filament and saving the printing progress and location of the print. Once filament is inserted or power is restored, users simply press Continue Print and the E2 continues right where it left off. The combination of these features are especially useful in highly sensitive environments, like in education or the manufacturing industry. The E2's user-friendly features work together simultaneously to make each print worry-free. Thank you for watching. Please contact Raise3D for more information.